Hi, myself Furqan, member of DoK Explorers Intern. Today we're going to talk about data streaming on Kubernetes. Topics that we will be looking forward on: what's data streaming, how Kubernetes are helpful, what are data streaming tools are in the current market, what does DoK Reports of 22 says, and how data streaming can be useful and helpful in the future industries. Coming to data streaming. Firstly, we should understand what data we are talking about and where this data is being used for streaming. Data that we're talking about is of any format, as you can say videos, audios, text, documents, images, or any format of data. So we understood what data we're talking about. So let's get to what's streaming and how it is helping in multiple industries. So the data we see in most of the social media platforms are almost in every format. If that's the case, the data we need to make available in real time. For that, Kubernetes helps in, as it is well-known orchestration tool in industry which helps to run microservices based applications smooth and function very efficiently. Streaming data applications which are well known in the industries, examples are Twitter, YouTube, LinkedIn, Netflix, trade market applications, and many other. Kubernetes used in data streaming. As organizations use Kubernetes, firstly deal with the databases and analytics, and then uses for streaming or messaging. Data on Kubernetes. There are many benefits of running data on Kubernetes: scalability, management of workloads, maintenance, security, deployment, and many other. Moving on, Kubernetes to streamline the IT operations. It helps in ensure consistency, revenue growth, enabling developers to self-manage and more benefits. You can check it out in DoK Reports 2022. Data streaming tools. These tools helps data to stream very smooth and efficient and make things automate to run without any fluctuations in between the data streamings. Following tools are Apache Flink, Apache Kafka, Apache Storm, Red Panda, StreamSQL, Spark Streaming, and many more. Talking about tools, Apache Kafka has established itself on the market with many trusted companies. Data and logs involved in today's complex systems must be processed, reprocessed, analyzed, and handled often in real time. And that's why Apache Kafka is playing a significant role in the message streaming landscape. The key design principle of Kafka were formed based on the growing need for high throughput architecture that are easily scalable and provide the ability to store, process, and reprocess streaming data. Use cases of these tools: real-time trades, which need to be very accurate when using trading applications; location of data, user activity, esports, security information, monitoring, and reporting. Moving on, in the end of the discussion, we can say its future is very appealing, and streaming will continue to mature in many industries of all sizes and helps to run their businesses very smooth. Ending this, and thank you for having me here to talk about this particular topic. If you have any questions regarding streaming, please join in the Slack channel called Streaming in DoK Community, and don't forget to check out the DoK reports of 22. Thank you again. Have a good day.